Hello, I am Shayan Das and this is task 5 of my CodSoft internship. So I have first called all the libraries that I need in this project. Next I have called the dataset. This is my dataset where the target column is the class column. In the next step we have found the dimensions of the dataset. The dataset has 2,84,000 rows and 31 columns. These are the data types of the columns, and we have checked for the null values and found there is no column that has null values. After that we have checked the imbalance into the dataset and we have found that around 99% of the observation are classified as not a fake credit card transaction, and only 1% of the only around 0.1% of the observation is classified as a fake credit card transaction. Now we have to prepare the data. For the first step we have balanced the dataset using an undersampling techniques. After the balancing we have 50% of the observation classified as a fake transaction and 50% of the observation classified as a legitimate transaction. Next we have splitted the dataset into training and testing dataset using a 20-80% split, and these are the dimensions of the dataset after the split. We have used a random forest classifier model into the dataset as a regressor, as a classifier, and before we apply the classifier we have used the standard scaler to scale the columns of the predictors. After the fitting of the model on the training dataset, we have prepared the prediction of the testing dataset. The accuracy according to the testing dataset is coming out to be 94%, which is quite high when you consider the testing dataset. So we consider the model as an accurate model and save the model in the pickle format so that we can use the model in future, and in this way our task come to an end.